stop. If you are still creating AI shorts one by one, you are building content the slow way. Most creators spend 4 to 6 hours making a single AI short, fixing faces, correcting outfits, redoing broken animations. That is not scalable. What if you could generate 10 fully animated AI shorts with locked characters, perfect consistency, and 0 manual editing in under 20 minutes? No paid tools, no subscriptions, no complicated setups. Just one free automation stack almost nobody is using. And in step 3, I'll show you the exact trick that makes your characters stay identical in every single scene with no face swaps. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the workflow. You'll have an automated AI short ready to upload in one click. Welcome to AIpreneur, and let's get started with our workflow, step by step. Step 1, generate your story and image prompts. Before we touch any video tool, we need a story, and we need it to be locked, consistent, and that is exactly what we are going to build right now. So open ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt that describes the whole story and hit enter. In seconds, you'll have a complete story with a consistency Bible and 12 detailed scene prompts. This is your foundation. Save all of it because you are going to use it throughout every step of this workflow. Now, while you're still in the same ChatGPT conversation, do not close it. Paste this second prompt right after. That converts our story to image prompts, perfectly formatted and ready to use. Copy all of them, because in step 2, you're going to see how we generate all those images automatically with perfect character consistency using a tool most creators have never heard of. Step 2, set up AutoWhisk and generate your scene images. Now that we have all our image prompts, it's time to generate the actual scenes in bulk, hands-free, and with perfect consistency. And we are going to do it with a free Chrome extension called AutoWhisk. So go to Google and search for exactly this. AutoWhisk Automator for Whisk AI. Find it in the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome, and once it is installed, click the extension icon. You'll see 2 versions available for this tutorial. Select the second version. Before we run the automation, there's one important thing we need to do first, and this is the secret to making every image match. We need to lock in our characters as reference images inside Google Whisk. So go back to ChatGPT, same conversation, and paste this prompt that fixes the character consistency of our story. Now open Google Whisk in a new tab. Copy character 1's prompt, paste it in, and hit generate. Once your character image appears, click the small left arrow to save it to your workspace, then drag it into the subject box on the left sidebar. Leave the checkbox unchecked for now. Next, do the same for character 2. Copy the prompt, paste it into Whisk, generate the image, and drag it into the second subject box. After that, go back to ChatGPT and ask, give me a style reference prompt for this story based on the consistency Bible. Copy it, paste it into Whisk, generate it, and drag the result into the style box at the bottom of the sidebar. Now, and this is critical, make sure both subject checkboxes and the style checkbox are all turned on. These 3 references are what lock your character consistency across every single scene. Good. Now go back to your AutoWhisk extension. Paste all the scene image prompts from ChatGPT into the text box and hit start. AutoWhisk will ask you whether to open a new project or run on the current one. Choose run on this project. So it uses the character and style references you just set up. Then just watch it go. AutoWhisk will automatically generate every scene image one by one and download them all to a numbered folder on your computer. Same faces, same outfits, same style, every single frame. 0 clicking. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how many scenes you have. So grab a coffee, because when you come back, those images are going to be ready and waiting. Now, in the next step, we're going to take those images and turn them into actual animated videos, all in bulk, with just 1 click. Step 3, set up Auto Meta AI and generate videos in bulk. All right, this is the step I promised you. This is where all those consistent scene images are transformed into actual animated short clips, completely automatically, and it's 100% free. First, head over to Meta AI and log in using your Facebook or Instagram account. Just keep that tab open for a moment. Now, go to Google and search for Auto Meta Automation from Meta AI. Find it in the Chrome Web Store, install it, and pin it to your toolbar. Then, click the extension icon and hit Go to Meta AI. It will connect automatically to your Open Meta AI tab. You'll see both the Meta AI interface and the AutoMeta control panel on the same screen. Before we start uploading images, we need one more thing, animation prompts. These tell Meta AI exactly how to move each scene. So go back to ChatGPT, same conversation, and paste this. You'll get short, clean prompts like camera tilts down as Milo brushes sand. These describe motion without changing anything about the characters, which means Meta AI will animate our existing images, not invent new ones. Copy all the animation prompts. Now go to the Auto Meta extension. In the image list section, click Add Images and select all your scene images from the AutoWhisk folder in order, from scene 1 to the last scene. Auto Meta will list them all in sequence. Next, go to the prompt box and paste all your animation prompts, making sure scene 1 lines up with scene 1 image, scene 2 with scene 2, and so on. Now, before you hit start, go to Settings and turn on Auto Download. This will save every video automatically as it's created, with no manual downloading needed. Now hit start and watch it run. Auto Meta takes the first image, sends it to Meta AI with the matching animation prompt, generates the first short, downloads it, then moves to the next one. It repeats that process for every single scene, completely hands-free. Every short will have the exact same characters, same faces, same outfits, because we built that consistency in step 2, and we're carrying it forward all the way here. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, while it is running, it's time to move on to the next step and record our voiceover. Step 4, create your AI voiceover with ElevenLabs. Now, it's time to give our video a voice, and we're gonna use ElevenLabs for this because it has the most natural sounding AI voices out there, and the free plan is more than enough. But before that, we need a narration script for our story. So go back to ChatGPT one last time and paste this prompt. When ChatGPT asks, paste your full story and the consistency Bible, plus all 12 scene descriptions, and hit enter. In a few seconds, you will have a complete narration script, perfectly timed, scene by scene. Then ask it to remove the timestamps, the scene titles, the scene numbers, and the mods. Now go to ElevenLabs.io. Sign up for a free account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, paste your entire narration script into the text-to-speech box. Next, click the voice dropdown and explore the options. I recommend trying Adam for a confident narrator feel, or Bella for something warmer and more storytelling. Preview a few and pick what feels right for your video. After you've chosen your voice, keep the settings on default and click Generate. ElevenLabs will process your full script and produce studio quality narration in seconds. Hit download and you've got your voiceover ready. By now, your Auto Meta shorts from step 3 should be done too. So in the next step, we're gonna bring everything together. Step 5, assemble your final video in CapCut. We're at the final step, and this is where everything comes together. So open CapCut on your desktop, create a new project, and import 2 things, all the video clips from Auto Meta and the voiceover audio from ElevenLabs. Here's how to assemble it quickly. First, drag your voiceover onto the timeline. This is your anchor. Everything else synchronizes to it. Now listen to the narration. As you hear each part of the story, drag the matching video clip onto the timeline above the audio and position it to line up. Your clips are already numbered in order from Auto Meta, so this goes faster than you think. Once all your clips are on the timeline, go to Text at the top and click Auto Captions. CapCut will automatically generate subtitles synced to your voiceover. Pick a bold, easy-to-read style. I like ones with a black background or outline, and click Apply. Done. Next, add some transitions to make it flow. Go to Transitions in the top menu and use simple ones like mix or black fade between each clip. After that, add your background music. Go to Audio, then Sounds, and search for upbeat or cinematic tracks, depending on your story's mood. Drag it onto the timeline and lower the volume to around 20% so it supports the narration without overpowering it. And that's it. Click Export in the top right. Choose 1080p and let CapCut render your finished video. In a few minutes, you'll have a polished AI short with perfect character consistency, ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram.
Milo reveals an arrow, and Luna quickly sketches the discovery. The star fades away, worrying Milo while Luna thinks hard. Wind steals the map, and Milo...
Now here's your challenge. Don't just watch this, use it. Open ChatGPT right now, paste that first prompt, and build your first video today. You already have everything you need. And if you want more automation stacks like this, check out this video where I explain how to turn Grok into an automation for bulk videos. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to AIpreneur. I drop automation tutorials like this every single week. And drop a comment below. What kind of AI short are you going to make first? I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.